X-Tank Trifecta 2.0 installed. This is a soft folding marine vinyl tonneau cover. It's a tri-fold design, so you have to lower the tailgate in order to open it. And there's two handles you just pull right down. And then you can fold it right up. Quick and easy. It has a clamp in the rear, which keeps it from flying away. It's easy to remove. It has weather sealing built in all over it. Nice steel corner bracket, keeps the frame nice and strong. Padded weather sealing. More padded hinges here. You can fold it up. You can strap it in place while you're driving. Have the cover open. It's an aluminum frame. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. It takes about 15 minutes to install. It's really quick. Pull the clamp down. Pull the clamp down. Lock the tailgate. You're all secure. We also added a bed step by Amp Research. You can use this step with your tailgate down, which is a nice feature. We also installed some 3-inch round stainless steel steps. All done at Truck Access Plus in Phoenix, Arizona.